Imagine a storm powerful enough to light up the darkest sky. Now, unleash that energy within yourself. Picture your dreams as massive waves, towering, bold, and unyielding in their quest to reshape the world around them. Your potential roars like the fierce wind, swirling with tenacity and purpose. Chains of doubt break in the wake of your audacious courage, paving a path of relentless triumph. Fear not the lightning. It is your declaration of power, the symphony announcing your inevitable ascent. Each challenge you face is merely the calm before the next wave of your unstoppable surge. Rise, become the captain of your destiny, steering confidently through the storms that seek to hinder you. Dare to fortify your ambitions, ignite the hurricane within, and let nothing stand in your way.